Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I wanted to bring in a third-party tempered glass screen protector and camera full coverage glass protector for that horizontal camera island on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro. We are using a dummy device. I've reviewed a lot of cases with this dummy device to show you what the case will look like on your iPhone 17 Pro and how much protection you're going to get. I also did a Rinky Easy Slide screen protector install for the display. Now we know that this dummy device isn't going to turn on, and a lot of you are thinking, why would you spend your own money on a dummy device? Because if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this as far as I can go. I mean, we know that the dummy device is not going to turn on, but not only do I want to review cases, but the accessories that will go with your iPhone 17 Pro. You just need to see that these products are going to work for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've used this company, purchased over at Amazon, for a lot of different smartphones. Their screen protectors are amazing. The touch response you're going to get as far as the tempered glass screen protector on the display of your 17 Pro Max is going to be a thumbs up. I've never had any issues with this company with their products. I paid $9, $8.99. You can see that the purchase date was September 25th. You can see the information there. You can see the 3 tempered glass screen protectors and the 3 camera glass protectors there. I wanted Amazon's choice and what was being bought the most out there from the consumer. And this was the one that was suggested. And again, I have used this brand many, many, many different times. And you can see that the information there somewhat matches the information over at the Amazon webpage there. And you got some more information back here. Surface hardness, anti-shatter film, oliphobic coating, delicate touch, premium tempered glass testing standard. So you get 3 of these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a couple of those over there. That is nice. You can see the thickness. And not only will the areas around the camera's flash mic sensor there be protected, but the cameras themselves are fully protected as well. So the flash sensor is going to be protected. The mic, that's open. Of course, you have to have that open. So, okay, so we'll put that over there. You got some information here, so please read everything. Okay, put that over there. And your dust absorber, we need one of those. You get 3. And there's 2 tempered glass screen protectors we're not going to use because we're going to use this one over here. And you get the installation plastic frame here that's going to help apply the tempered glass screen protector to the display of your 17 Pro Max. So put that there, and glass screen protector installation. So once again, please read everything.
And move that out of the way. And we got that and that microcloth alcohol prep wipe. Okay, so that means I'm going to remove the Rinky Easy Slide, which has worked with every case I have reviewed for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Whether that's from Subcase, UAG, Crave, Banks. Thumbs up. There'll be a link for this product down below in the description area. Rinky cases. I'm talking about a lot of cases, folks, and I still have more to go.
So what we want to do is, I got this little grippy pad. I want to place that on there so it keep it in place as much as possible. And we're going to do the camera protection last. This should say top right there. So that's going to go up there after I clean off the display of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wipe down with the microcloth. Very nice. And your dust absorber. Get the frame. Put her on. Okay, so we're going to take it from there one more time. If there's any bubbles, you're just going to have to squeeze them out. I'll come back to that in a little bit here. I want to do the camera. Get my alcohol prep wipe. Want to make sure the cameras are cleaned off really, really well. Normally I speed up these videos, but this time I wanted to do a little more in the realm of being detailed. Okay, got this little pull tab right there. And that's how you're going to do that. So definitely a lot of protection going on there. And as long as it is super duper clean, take your time. Nothing is going to get inside of there to get in the way of the cameras taking great quality pictures and shooting great quality video. $9, very, very inexpensive. So on the other side, let me get my microcloth here. Still got some bubbles there, so I'm going to work those out and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay. Everything came out great. Everything. That little imperfection is actually on the dummy device display. So don't look at that. Maybe a couple tiny ones there. But they'll go away. Yeah, I think I just squeezed them out. Yeah, that looks great. The camera protector there, that looks awesome. Now, you're going to get smudges from your fingerprints on there. So before taking pictures, shooting video, make sure everything's clean, and then snap away, shoot away. Lots of protection. So what I wanted to do is test out a few cases that I've already reviewed. This is the subcase UAG Mag. And this is the black case with a frosted back. You got magnet for MagSafe. So these cases have already been reviewed. I just want to make sure that you're not going to have any issues with the screen protector. Remember, the dummy device is 100% dimensionally, just like the real deal. And you can see that there's some spacing between the tempered glass screen protector and the UB mag case from Subcase. And on the back, yeah, that is nice, folks. That is nice. And this one has a kickstand, so that's pretty cool. Please go watch the full reviews with the cases that I'm using right now in this video. Yeah, no issues. Love that. This right here, the ultimate protection. Okay, easy to take off. Just be careful. You don't want to remove the camera glass protector, so you want to press up against the protector and pull away. And again, you're going to have to clean that area off. So that's good to see. This is the Alice from Rinky with that 360 kickstand action, the rotation. I love this case. It's a dual layer case, actually. You can separate the two, especially if you need to clean the case. You want to separate them and clean them down. Again, no issues. I love when there's a little spacing like that. Yeah, that's really nice. Look at that. It's beautiful on the back. Now, the full coverage camera protector isn't going to affect or get in the way as far as the integrity of how the full camera protection here with the Alice Rinky case is going to work with the camera area there, flash, sensor, mic. All that's going to work. I'm sure that there's a little bit of pressure as far as the camera protector pushing up onto that area. But if it's not affecting this area and everything looks great, then that's a winner. But wait. Now that's where you might see where it's causing that pressure is pushing up on that area. You see that? So with this case, you don't need that kind of protection. Well, it went into place, so that's good. There's no a little bit of separation. So that depends on you, whether you want to put camera protection, whether it's from Ailun or a different company that provides these kind of protectors. The more the better when it comes to protection, but just make sure that you're not losing any of the integrity of the protection of the case when utilizing that much protection. So if you're going to bring this in, you might as well remove the full coverage camera protection. But I mean, again, it just depends on you. This is Crave, the dual guard, meaning you have the TPU part of the case and the hard shell part of the case coming together. They become one to give you that dual guard protection, and the same results. No issues, no lifting whatsoever. And on the back, yeah, that right there is a thumbs up. Okay, we'll put that away. And then I'm going to actually review the Pathfinder from UAG. This case hasn't been reviewed, so we're going to throw this in here and We'll see how that does with the iPhone 17 Pro Max here with the camera protection and the tempered glass screen protector over the display there. 18-foot drop tested, military grade, 3-time drop protection there. So very, very solid when it comes to drop protection. Built-in magnet for MagSafe, made from recycled materials. On the back, feather-like composite construction, built-in magnet for MagSafe, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip. Cases made from 25 to 50% recycled materials. This is one of my favorite cases. This series here goes way back for many different smartphones. At least for me, it has. And I'm sure a lot of you have been using UAG cases for a long, long time. Okay, same story here. No issues. There's no lifting. Screen protector from Ailun is working great. $9, folks. $9. Look at all of that lip surrounding the front display of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Recessed area there for the combo earpiece and speaker. Very nice. At the bottom, a couple little cutouts on the right, left-hand side to support a lanyard. Cutouts for the mic and speaker, and a cutout there, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port. Did I mention that was for the earpiece and speaker up top? I can't remember, man. That was only a few seconds ago. Wow. Nothing up top. You do have these corners that extend out at the top and at the bottom for shock absorption. Camera protection, a lot of lip. You got some depth there, and you got that full camera protection over the flash sensor, and you got that open little cutout there for the mic. Yeah, that is nice. Look at that. That is bold. Oh, man. UAG brand name. You got the honeycomb hex design there for the magnet. Hard shell back. You got that hex honeycomb design on that hard shell back. It's just a tough, tough case, man. Open area there for the camera control button. Got a little bit of depth to work with there. You're not going to have any issues utilizing that functionality with your finger or your thumb. You got the power button, couple little indents there, recessed there so you can feel the power button. On the other side, volume rocker, minus, plus symbols, and the action button area. All buttons will be covered and protected, and they will work flawlessly. You will have no issues, folks. Look at that. Well, I'm pretty stoked with the tempered glass screen protectors and camera glass protectors. Full coverage. And the case itself from UAG, the Pathfinder. This is the Ice Silver. There are a couple other color choices that you can choose from. Here we have the Ash Black. And there we have the Active Neon. I think I have that for review as well. So this is the one we just reviewed. Okay, so definitely do some shopping. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions as far as the Ailun products for your display and camera area, as far as the protection, the install, anything, please ask down below in the comment section. As far as the cases that I've already reviewed, and now the Pathfinder from UAG that I just reviewed, please ask. There's always something that I'm going to miss, folks, so please throw that information down below in the comment section. All the links for all the products in this video will be in the description area. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.